Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Henleaze today, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 charity shops there on the high street. Spotted this. It's not the sort of thing I normally buy. I've tried to avoid computers and Arduino and that sort of thing, but I thought I might give it a try. £25. Kano or Kano. Make your own computer. Bit misleading. I mean, there's not very much making involved. Apparently it's missing the HDMI lead, so they've given us a spare HDMI lead. Other than that, everything else in it is supposed to be complete. Bernardo's, I bought it. Okay, what have we got here? Got some stickers. That's always useful, isn't it? Stickers. Raspberry Pi 3 Model B and a 16 gigabyte SD card. Well, the wind's blowing the curtains in the window at the moment. That's why it's going light and dark. Right, okay. How to make a computer. HDMI cable, power cable, keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and mouse, that must be the mouse pad. For charging only. Oh, okay. On-off button just there. I'm guessing that's probably Bluetooth. Oh no, it says USB on it. Oh, it's USB port, but I bet that's a Bluetooth connector. So if I press that, do we get any lights or anything? Not visibly. Okay. Next page. Memory card. Yes. 16 gigabyte. Power plug. Yes. UK plug. Ring light. Okay. Power button. Yes. Case lid here. Still attached to its protective sheet, apparently. DIY case. That'll be these 2 bits of plastic. So that's the make bit. We're going to stick that in there. Raspberry Pi 3 brain. Okay. HDMI, USB, micro USB, probably audio, I would guess. 4 USB, 1 Ethernet. Yeah, it does actually say Raspberry Pi 3. Yeah, I've got a book on Raspberry Pi somewhere. Okay. Grab the memory card, slide out the micro memory thing. Okay. Stick it in the back of there. Okay, done that. Now add lights. Grab your light ring. It has 10 LEDs. Okay, that's on there. The ring will flash colours after the brain is brought to life. When it's processing data, the lights will turn orange. Okay. Yeah, I've done that. Nearly there. Oh, yes, that's just making sure it's pushed all the way home. Add the power button. Now you can safely turn your computer on and off. Okay, grab the sides. And of course it's going to be that way round. And that one's going to go on there. It's got to be right down there. There we are, we're in place. Yep, done that. Click, click, yeah, done that. Add the lid. Okay. It's got to be that way up. It doesn't quite line up. There we go. Right. So we've done that. Connect to a screen. Okay. I'll go and see if my screen here has got an HDMI. Pretty sure it has. Back in a minute. Right, we've moved a bit. That's my normal computer screen there. So I've connected HDMI to that. Plug in to your computer. Yeah, done that. Done that. Now you need a way to talk to your computer. Grab your keyboard. Flip it up and push the red power button. Well, at the moment, I've just put it on charge. Little red light on there. So I suspect it probably won't run until that's charged up. It actually says don't use the red wire yet. That's for charging. Well, that's assuming there's some charge in it. Oh, take out the white piece. This USB has a radio antenna. Plug the piece into your computer. Oh, right, okay. So let's pull that out of there. And plug it into didn't specifically say which one, so we'll plug it in there. Now the keyboard and the brain are connected. Well, there's no power on that. Now bring it to life. Okay. We've got a long enough lead. Yes, long enough. Plug that in. And then that is going to be in there. Okay, we got lights on. You've made a computer. Now follow the steps on the screen. We did get a little light up there. We got a flickering cursor up there. Yeah, looks like it works so far. Session terminated, terminating shell. Okay, I'll just put the camera down again. I wonder if it's not detecting the keyboard because the keyboard's on charge. Oh no, something is happening. We got flashy lights. It looks like whoever had this was Oliver. So say keyboard still showing a red light on it at the moment. Where's that on-off button again? Oh no, we got a green light on the keyboard now. Let's tuck that up out the way. So we have a successful connection. Well, I think we've gone far enough just to establish that we appear to have a working Kano, whatever. I suppose we could have a look to see if there's any files anywhere. I hope there's nothing we don't want to see there. Nothing much happening. Oh. No. Document, legal, music, photos, sound. If the screen goes blank, that's because I've found photos that we don't want to see. That all looks okay. Yep, that'll do. We're probably about 20 minutes into this video. Right, yep, that'll do. I'll have to find out something to do with it that might be useful. I'll just show you again, we got flashing LEDs. That makes all the difference. Just for the fun of it, I'm just seeing if I can get onto YouTube via my Raspberry Pi. Looks like it. It's a little bit slow, but yes, we are on YouTube. And like I said at the beginning, I've avoided getting involved in this sort of thing. I used to do computing at work. That was a long time ago. I didn't want to end up sitting in front of the computer coding again. But this might be interesting. Yeah, that'll do. Just like Windows, it's doing an update. I suppose that's fair enough. I've no idea how old this kit is. "2017" it says on there. Oh, error. Well, don't know why that is. Never mind, this video's gone on far too long. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.